I think it's time to start making dinner. Get peanut oil here. Got some very frozen potatoes. Well, to go with the country fried steak, I'm gonna make a knockoff version of Mexican street corn. Okay, so I've got some tagine. Put that in there. Mayonnaise. There we go. There we go. Not a bad little meal. I didn't quite do the country fried steak right. I forgot to bring the buttermilk to make the batter, but so I just rolled it in flour and gave it a go. Still tastes really good. Oh, I'm hungry. I missed lunch today. Good.